Welcome back. Let's do method 2 of proving the arithmetic series formula. Right, first term is a, then second term is equal to a plus d, and then we have third term. Third term is equal to a plus 2d. It goes on like that. Fourth term a plus 3d, fifth term a plus 4d. It goes on like that. And then if you look at the last term is l. Last term is equal to l. Then what about the second last term? Second last term will be L minus D, right? Second last term is going to be L minus D. And then the third last term will be called L minus 2D, right? And then we know that Sn is equal to A plus D, the second term, plus A plus 2D, the third term, plus the fourth term, fifth term, and then till we add the last three, which will be the third last term will be L minus 2D, then plus L minus D plus L, the last term, right? We're going to start by proving this one, and then from this we're going to get this. So we'll do almost the same thing like we did with the previous method. We're going to add two SNs. The first Sn is going to be the first term up to the last term, and then the second Sn will be the other way around, where we start with the last term till the first term. Okay, let me just show you that. And then we add the second Sn. Now we're going to write the second Sn from the last term till the first term. So we're writing this the other way around, where we start with L, the last term, then plus the second last term, which is L minus D, plus the third last term, which is L minus 2D, then goes on like that. Then the third term is A plus 2D, second term is A plus D, and then the first term is A. So we're adding this. Sn plus Sn, that is 2Sn, is equal to A plus L. We're adding this and this, A plus L, that is A plus L. And then plus, we're adding A plus D plus L minus D. A plus D plus L minus D. And D minus D is 0. We remain with A plus L. And plus A plus 2D plus L minus 2D. Right, 2D minus 2D is 0. So we remain with A plus L. Goes on like that. If we check, this is just the same as this. So it will give us A plus L. And then this is just same as this, which means we're getting also A plus L. And then the last one also is just same as this, we're getting A plus L. Right, so how many terms are we adding here? How many of these are we adding? We're adding n terms, so it means 2Sn is equal to n times A plus L. It means we have n of these. Then here we divide by 2 on both sides of the equation. Sn is equal to n over 2a plus l. We have derived this formula, right? And then from this formula, we know that L, which is equal to Tn, is equal to a plus n minus 1 d. So meaning that we can replace this L with a plus n minus 1 d. So saying Sn is equal to n over 2, then a plus, and then we say a plus n minus 1 d. This has replaced L, okay? A plus a is 2a. So we have Sn is equal to n over 2 in 2a plus n minus 1 d. Done. We have managed to derive these two.